The Ecclesia Niue held celebrations of 164 years since Christianity was introduced to Niue on Monday. It also proved as an ideal setting for yet another celebration, with the launching of a book especially written to highlight the history of the church in Niue. The project, which was initiated by Nevat, involved the collection and compilation of the church's history. A majority of this information was gathered by the church since 1846, and a lot of the research was compiled by the late Reverend Philo Pahitongia and edited by Reverend Avile Paya and Bertha Tonghai. The book, which is titled The Dawning of the Gospel on Niue, was dedicated to the late Reverend Philo Pahitongia and gifted to the Ecclesia Christiana Niue to be sold, and all proceeds would go towards the church. This will serve as a valuable resource not only for the church, but it is one of the few written documentations of our history as seen by our own people. And those are our news stories that we have for you this evening. Don't forget to check out the public healthy recipe competition that will be held at the Makini Hall tomorrow at 9. So do develop your own healthy recipes with local products and also head on down to Makini tomorrow.วันนี้บ่มาตมกันนางหายเอฟขอวางให้ฝ่ายมาโลเซียโนกะลาเตยมวยฟอลูอะโตเคยมาโลเซียโนเนี่ยก็ไม่เกมตูเกตาลังมวยตาตัวเกฝักตาตาไม่ซีวีเกเฮมากินิโฮลมาตาละเฮฟเฮปุ่งปุ่งยาปุ่งอามันกิโฟกินีเกมาฟอเลยโอเคโอเคหาตบนี่หางเอาไว้เกยมวยเตเฟวฟาฟาวเซียโนเฮมตะเคมาตัวมันเนี่ยกับเขาควยกิปเลียสิเกนนอฟัวนี่เนโปAtulidi wat door kefelveya kefa hitap kahau.